Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorials. Today I'm gonna show you how you can use Python on Linux terminal. So first of all, I wanna show you how you can install softwares on Linux. So to install the software on Linux, you have to install switch the normal user into root user, because the root user is the super user that can able to administer the system, the Linux system. You can have access to install software, remove software, and whatever you can do as a root user. So now to switch the user, you can use sudo su, then enter. Then you can enter the password of the normal user you are currently using. Now I switched the normal user into root. This is the root. The domain name is Kali. So to install software on Linux, first of all, let me check the Python version, Python 3 -- version. Now my Python version is 3.9.10. So I can also upgrade to the latest version. But if your current Python version is Python 2, in case, for example, Python, I mean, you should specify the Python version. For example, this Python 2 is a pre-installed software. I can upgrade to the latest version. To do this, you can use apt. apt is a Linux command to install new software on Linux if you know the package of that software from package library, Linux package library. So you can use apt and install. Then, for example, Python 3.10. You can install using this, followed by the package name as a root user. And if you wanna update the system, you can use update. Apt updates. You can use the apt updates to update the source of the Linux system to install. Actually, before installing some software on Linux, you can update this the source every time, because the Linux version going to be upgraded every time. To upgrade the whole system into the latest version, it's going to upgrade the whole applications as well. You can use upgrade. So you are not required to install a specific softwares. If that software is not installed yet, you can install using the command I showed you previously. And if you want to install the specific upgrade a specific software, you can use apt install -- only upgrade, then the software name that you want to upgrade. For example, Python 3.10. This just it's going to upgrade to the latest version, only this software. Only this software. The other thing, now I have the latest versions of Python and I can use this. To use this, let me exit the root user. You can use as the normal user. So now I can use Python 3 to use the Python terminal. Now the Python terminal is open up and I can do anything I wanna print out on terminal. Hello. So this is the way how you can use Python on terminal. For example, list of numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I want to print each item from the list, each number from the list for every I in list numbers, then enter. You can give one tab, because indentation is important when you are writing Python code to separate each block of code. Then you can print. Now I can enter again. It prints the list of numbers from. If you are new for Python, you can practice on Linux terminal like this. So let me exit this terminal to the normal Linux terminal. I can also use a graphical tools. First of all, let me create a Mikader first project. I created a project on my home directory. So I can change to first project. Okay. Now I am in the directory of first project, but there is no files projects here. I can use, for example, I can use Atom. Atom is one of the latest tool to, and I can open up the project from home directory, home, first up the folder. Now this folder is empty, so I can create new project inside this new Python project inside this new file. I mean first python.py. Then I can create print list of numbers, for example, list of numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for every I in list of numbers. Then I can print I. Now I can go back to the terminal. I am in the, now I created a new Python project. I can run using Python 3 first. It prints like this. So you can also print the Python project using Python 3. If the Python version is Python 3, if it is 2, you can use Python 2. But nowadays, most of the developers or users use the latest version, I know. So this is the way how you can install softwares on Linux. How can you run Python code on Linux, and how can you also run Python code on Linux terminals. So next time I will show you another topic about Python on Linux. Thanks for watching today.